Good day, everyone. My name is Jenica Pagunsan, grade 10 Felipe, and I'm here to talk about the endangered species in our country, the Philippines. What is the endangered species? An endangered species is a species that is very likely to become extinct in the near future, either worldwide or in a particular political jurisdiction. Endangered species may be at risk due to factors such as habitat loss, poaching, and invasive species. The Philippines is one of the richest countries in the world when it comes to biodiversity and wonder country, but it also has many animals that are endangered of extinction. The group of over 7,000 small islands may contain the largest concentration of unique species per unit area in the world. Approximately 33% of its plants, 75% of amphibians, 70% of reptiles, and 44% of the birds found in the Philippine archipelago. In recent decades, many animals in the Philippines have been recorded as endangered. These animals are endangered due to many factors, including natural and man-made, and their population continues to decline. The reason for the endangered species in the Philippines is the loss of their home, environmental pollution, water pollution, hunting, disease spread, more people, climate change, and overhunting people with deadly weapons. In this video, I will list some of the most endangered species in the Philippines and the reason why they are endangered of disappearing. The first endangered animals, you can see the Philippine crocodile. The Philippine crocodile is one of the critically endangered species in the Philippines. It is smaller compared to other crocodile species, and it usually eats snail, but sometimes they eat human. The Philippine crocodile is also known as the Mindoro crocodiles. Its scientific name is Crocodilus mendorensis and is commonly called the freshwater crocodile. It is related to saltwater crocodiles. During the breeding season, females build nests and lay 30 to 50 eggs that take 65 to 85 days to hatch. Both males and females guard the eggs and have an average lifespan of up 70 to 80 years. However, it is still one of the most endangered species in the Philippines. The reason why it's endangered of depletion are due to the use of dynamite in fishing, repeated hunting by humans, loss of their habitat, and illegal animal trade. The second animal, you can see the Philippine eagle. The Philippine eagle is an animal native to the Philippines and is one of the critically endangered species in the country. It is a large bird of prey with white feathers underneath and a crown of thick, long feathers on its head. According to Philippine Eagle Foundation, these remaining forest animals require 4,000 to 11,000 hectares of land to survive, depending on the amount of their prey in the area. This includes human activities that make it difficult for these animals to survive. The reason why they are in danger of disappearing is due to uncontrolled hunting by humans, smuggling, lack of prey for them to eat due to overhunting, and loss of habitat. The third animal, you can see the tamaraw. The tamaraw is a type of buffalo that has unique characteristics and only lives in the Philippines. It is one of those endangered of disappearing in the country. This buffalo has a strong appearance with shiny black fur, horns pointed backwards, slightly taller than a 3-year-old child, but with a dangerous attitude and easily attacks anyone who tries to approach. In the 90s, the Tamara population numbered around 10,000 before the outbreak of rinderpest in the 1930s greatly affected their population. Currently, there are several hundred population of tamaraw and they have become one of the list of critically endangered animal in the Philippines on the way to extinction. The reason why they are in danger of disappearing are due to the outbreak of rinderpest in the 1930s, the introduction of modern hunting weapons, poaching, and loss of their habitat. The first animal, you can see the Philippine spotted deer. The Philippine spotted deer are one of the most endangered species in the Philippines, and their population continues to decline because no protection is being done for them. They are commonly used for hunting for recreation and as a food because their meat is highly valued in the area. Philippine spotted deer are brown and black in color with white spot on their backs. They are slightly different physically and anatomically from other types of deer. The reason why they are endangered of disappearing are due to hunting loss of their habitat, due to agriculture, commercial projects, and domestication. The last, the Philippine tarsier. Tarsier are one of the second smallest species of primates in the world. These animals are often killed, sold, and kept as pets. Before the announcement of Proclamation No. 1030, which declared them a special and protected species of animals on June 23, 1997. This proclamation was made by the former President of the Philippines, Fidel B. Ramos, and he also built a tertiary sanctuary to protect them, and they will be removed from the list of critically endangered species in the Philippines. The reason why they are endangered of disappearing is due to the pursuit of people for their meat, made pets exposed to unfavorable environment, and dying, and loss of their habitat.
Rafflesia mira. It is found only in the rainforests of Mount Candelaga in Compostela Valley Province. They are in brink of extinction since the beginning of road infrastructure project on mountains.
The second is waling-waling. They are found only in Mindanao and hailed as the queen of the Philippine flower. They are threatened by the overcollection in the wild and illegal plant trade in cities. The third is Clerodendron quadrilocular. They are also known as shooting star, but is the local call them bagawak. They are often collected from the forest only to sold in black market. The fourth plant is Hoya allogensis. They are locally known as wax flower. There are 90 species of the Hoya flower native to Philippines. They are often a target from illegal flower collector as they can be sold for higher price. The last is Santastemon vactidus. This beautiful flower found in the Luzon. This flowering tree are often called by locals as mapinit tree.